In this video, we're going to be drawing a motu or island. We will start the drawing using a true blue color. Next, we will use a cream color to begin our outline of the island. The cream color was a little too light for the camera, so we're using peach. As a side note, in many Polynesian languages, motu or moku means island depending on if the people are speaking with a T or K. We'll now use light aqua to start outlining the ocean surface around the island. We'll then use electric blue to help fill in some of the color of the ocean. We'll use indigo blue to darken the area where the ocean meets the island. Since this darker area is above the ocean, it'll represent the darker area where waves meet the rock. We're using black to help with contrast and represent the rock. Now that we have a base of the island, grass green was then used to start to fill in value on the island mountain. Although we're filling it in, we're trying to leave some areas more open than others. This is so that the mountain doesn't become a solid color and flat looking. Alternating between dark and light color pencils will also help to define the shape and surface of the mountain. Next, we will add apple green. Apple green will create areas with lighter color vegetation. Olive green was then used. Olive green was used to darken the area. These variety of colors also represent the variety of plant life. Now the same colors were used again and alternated to keep building up and adding onto the island surface. Olive green was used to strengthen the outline once most of the mountain was filled in with color. Since color on the island was built up so much, it was time to continue work on the ocean. The light aqua will fill in some of the ocean near the island since it would be shallow water. Next, we will use true blue. True blue will fill in the ocean and also start to lightly add value to the sky. Copenhagen blue and peacock blue were then used. These darker blue colors were used toward the bottom away from the island to represent deeper waters. True blue was used in the middle of the ocean. True blue would help to create a midtone between the shallow and deep waters. It was not intentional, but this island ended up looking like Mokoli'i off the coast of Oahu. This likely happened because I wanted to stretch the island out horizontally to match the shape of the paper. The deep water was again darkened with peacock blue. This darker blue would help create contrast between the light aqua and the true blue areas in the middle. I think we're at a good point, so this will conclude our drawing of our motu or island. Faʻafetai tele lava mo lau mai mua mai. Thank you very much for your view.